Good morning, this is Sameer sir. Today I am going to teach you Mail Merge from Microsoft Word. Mail Merge is a word processing procedure which enable you to combine a document with a data file. So we require one document as letter and we require data file where database is available. Why? For example, I let you know a list of names and addresses so that copies of document are different for each person it is sent to. He has sent mail merge letter wishing every staff member a Merry Christmas. Here I am practically showing you how to create document and how to insert database inviting my friends on my birthday. So this is Microsoft Word. I have already written this letter known as document from Sameer sir, Vadodara to numbers of friends. I am going to invite them. The letter is ready specifying dear XYZ numbers of my friend one by one. Through the mail merge we are going to get it. I Sameer sir is inviting you on 18th July at Sayaji Ganj, Vadodara to celebrate my birthday. Your presence will make me very happy. Thank you. So already one letter is written. Let's go to create mail merge. In the menu bar you have mailings. Click on start mail merge. You can see the option. The best way is to learn is the mail merge wizard. Once you know how to create, you can also do it from all these options. Directly email, messages, letters, envelopes, labels, every facility is available. Let's learn using step-by-step mail merge wizard. When I click here, you can see on right side mail merge wizard is displayed to you. Letters, mailing, these are the radio buttons available. By default letters is selected. I'm choosing same letter because I have written this letter. Steps 1 to 6 are available. I am on first step. Starting document. So click here. I am in second step, which is showing use the current document. Start from templates. Some templates are available inbuilt. You can make use of it. Starts from existing document. Existing means already created some days before, and if you want to open that existing file, but I have already written and I am using it. So first option is use the current document, that is already selected. My mouse cursor is there and I am on this option only. Select the recipient is my next option, third. So I am clicking here. I am in third step now. So here it is asking me use the existing list. I have not created list. I want you to see how to create list. Select from Outlook context. You know what is Outlook and context, already available. Then you can make use of it. Type a new list. So let me type new list. I am clicking here and I am clicking create. This dialog box will help me to create database for my friends. I want to invite 3 friends. I can invite 300, 3000, as many possible. That many databases possible. But here title and company name and address 1, address 2, all this I don't want it. It is default given to me. So let me customize. Click here and remove title from here. Yes. Also company name, delete it. Also address 2, delete it. Also zip code, delete it. You can definitely keep it. Country, delete it. Home phone, deleting. Work phone, deleting. And email address also deleting. Even I am deleting state. So now I am having first name, last name, address and city, 4 option. Press OK I can see first name, say my friend's name is Dhaval. Last name, just one alphabet I'm writing. Address, say Fatehganj, FATE, that much is sufficient, and city is Vadodara. Now new entry, say Manish, tab, say T, tab, say Nizampura, NIZ, tab, say Anand City. Next, Yash, tab, S, tab, from Mandvi, tab, and say Ahmedabad. That's it. You want to do some changes here, you can do. I have done spelling mistake, Anand here. So I have 3 database now. You can have 330, 300, as many you want. Once you create, you can delete entry also, you can find also, you can sort from here also. Okay, from here also you can sorting is possible, but my database is ready. See, document and data list, both the files are different. It's a mail merge facility. Okay, so this file also I supposed to save it. So I'm saving this file, this database file. I'm saving on desktop, writing essay as name, and I have saved it. So it is showing me mail merge recipients. Press OK. It's created. The letter is created and the database is created. I also have to save this later. I have already saved it. Now I'm going to 4th option. Next, write your later. It's my 4th option. So I'm clicking here. I can see few options. In this option, click on more items. And here it is. First name, last name, address, and city is available. Put your mouse cursor at proper place. And again click here and insert first name, even insert last name, close it, go to next line, same option, address, insert, close it, go to next line, more item, city, insert, close it, put your mouse cursor here, leave one space, dear, more item, first name, insert. You can see my letter having this recipients, first name, last name, address, city, dear, first name, and the letter is ready. Now total 3 data entry I have done. When I will print it or when I will send email, individual name will be available on this particular letter, and that is what advantages facility of mail merge. Click on next, preview. So here it is, from Samir sir, computer teacher, to Dhaval S, Fatehganj, Vadodara, dear Dhaval. And you can see here first data entry, first line, record it is known as. If you are clicking on next, there is second data entry, to Manish T, Nizampura, Anand, dear Manish. If I click here, I am on third line, third record, to Yash S, Mandvi, Ahmedabad, dear Yash. So here I have completed mail merge. I have shown you how to create database and how to insert this database and how to print it. Just press next, complete the merge, and my mail merge is ready. Thank you very much.